Yep. Go tell your sister to come out. Ask her if she want to see the snake eat.
Do you want to see the snake?
It's eating. It's eating. No, you don't. Not eating. This is something totally different. I ain't never seen a snake mouth open this damn wide.
The snake is bringing her head out of ow. We put the skin in.
I put it in the bag.
Oh. So I can see the
Right
kid?
here on the phone. Look on the phone right here.
Ew.
Girl, she coming out her rock with the food, trying to get it in her mouth.
The snake too. But I want her teeth.
Don't take on the ass anything. We don't want her to get aggravated and proceed to try to throw it up or whatever.
And try to throw the mouse on the glass.
No, she won't throw it on the glass. She'll just regurgitate it.
Like just spit on that?
And just spit it out. Throw up.
Oh. Ew. What snakes throw up look like?
I don't want to know.
I think it looks green.
I don't want to know. No, that's mouse in the cage.
Or like a yellow color.
Girl, she done got mostly all of it in her mouth.
Easily the head? Oh my god! I don't see the snake teeth.
I don't think she got teeth yet.
Uh-uh.
No, she don't.
This snake is still a baby?
I don't see any teeth in there.
Oh my god!
I'm not finna pull that away from her mouth because she's not finna bite me. Oh no.
I just swallowed all of it.
God damn it. It's gonna go down the throat. No, never mind. Never mind.
It is gonna go down her throat.
I'm not getting it. I'm sorry.
Oh my god, I just swallowed that? Oh.
Mm-hmm.
I know it's still her mouth. Oh my god.
It's just going down the throat. You see it?
Who got the tip? Oh, I can see her tongue. I can see the snake's tongue.
I don't see teeth yet.
Me either.
It's so little.
I only see her little tongue.
Hey, cute self. You got a little bit more hanging out. You almost got it. Damn, baby. Keep swallowing. You got it.
Uh-huh. Oh my god. I can see her.
You got a piece of tail hanging out your mouth. You got it. There you go. You got it.
Now, how does the snake swallow that? Is it a fat?
Get her.
The snake looks fat.
Mm-hmm.
Looks like I get all the way to her stomach.